This is the Porscan replacement pump basket for Hayward Super Pump. Let's take it out of the plastic. In the plastic, you get the basket. Simple like that. It's a direct fit replacement for many different Hayward Super Pump models. This will replace Hayward part number SPX 1600M, SP 1600M, and Aladdin B163. Like I said, it fits many different super pumps out there. It'll fit the SP 2607 X10, SP 2615 X20 XE, and SP 1615 X20. Amongst others, there's probably 15 different ones that it fits. Basically, if it looks like this, it probably will fit. You can, of course, check the dimensions of that on the Amazon listing page. And like I said, it's just a direct replacement. You just drop that in and you're ready to go. So let's go do it. Alright, obviously you got to shut the pump off in order to be able to get in there. And you're just going to undo these things just like you've done probably a million times before to get in there. We'll get that out of the way right there. And here is the old basket that I have right here. It's got its own, you know, stuff that it catches, which is the whole point of it. It prevents this stuff from getting in the pump just like that. What's nice about the Porscan one is that it has a handle, so you can easily just drop it in. This part with the rib, because that doesn't have it, part with the rib faces the back of the pump, and it just drops right in there. And then you just get your cover, put that right back on, and do up these hold downs. When you do this, by the way, always use only 2 fingers, just your fingertips, until you can't turn it anymore. Because if you turn it more, you're probably going to break them, and then you got a much bigger problem. And once you have that in there, just go ahead and turn it on. This will pick up in just a moment. It's got air in it because we opened it. And there we go. A little hard to see this time of day, but there we go. It's starting to take water in, no problem, and will work just the same as the original. And again, what's really nice is that it's got a nice handle on it, so when it's time to clean it out, you can just grab the handle right there and not have to worry about the rest. So once again, this is the Porscan replacement pump basket for Hayward Super Pumps. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.